Did you know that in 2025, the demand for ethical hackers is skyrocketing? The opportunities to make a real impact in the digital world have never been greater. Whether you want to safeguard your personal information, land a high-paying cybersecurity job, or even defend organizations against cyber threats, learning hacking has become one of the most valuable skills you can master. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to become a hacker. Ethically, of course, starting from scratch in 2025. Now, before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because we're constantly bringing you valuable content that will accelerate your journey in the world of tech and cybersecurity. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what hacking really means in 2025. Hacking isn't just about breaking into systems. It's about understanding how they work, finding vulnerabilities, and fixing them. Ethical hacking, or white hat hacking, is all about protecting individuals, companies, and governments from malicious attacks. If that's your goal, you're in the right place. Step 1. Master the basics of computers and networking. Before jumping into hacking tools and techniques, you need to build a strong foundation. Here's how you can do it. Learn operating systems. Start with Linux. Kali Linux, to be specific, is the go-to OS for ethical hackers. It comes preloaded with tools you'll need. Understand networking fundamentals. Learn about IP addresses, DNS, firewalls, ports, and protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and SMTP. Platforms like Cisco's Networking Academy or free resources on YouTube are excellent places to begin. Set up your lab. A hacking lab is where you'll practice everything. Install VirtualBox or VMware on your computer and create virtual environments. You'll need at least one target machine and one attack machine. Try using Metasploitable for practice. We have already covered this topic in detail in our previous video. Step 2. Programming skills. A good hacker is a good programmer. You need to understand how software works so you can exploit it when needed. In 2025, these are the top languages you should focus on. Python, perfect for automating tasks, creating scripts, and exploiting vulnerabilities. JavaScript, essential for web application hacking. C and C++, helpful for understanding how systems work at a low level, including memory management and vulnerabilities. SQL, vital for database exploitation and injection attacks. Start small, experiment with projects, and practice writing code regularly. Step 3. Learn about cybersecurity concepts. Understanding cybersecurity principles is key. Explore these topics. Cryptography, learn how data is encrypted and decrypted. Types of attacks include phishing, malware, man-in-the-middle attacks, SQL injection, and cross-site scripting. Penetration testing helps you learn how to simulate attacks to identify weaknesses. You can find free courses on platforms like Cybrary and YouTube or go for certifications like CompTIA Security Plus. Step 4. Get hands-on with hacking. The toolkit of an ethical hacker in 2025 is vast. Some must-have tools include Nmap for network scanning and vulnerability detection, Wireshark for analyzing network traffic, Burp Suite for web application security testing, and Metasploit for exploiting known vulnerabilities. Remember, ethical hacking is all about practice. Don't just read about these tools, use them in your lab to understand how they work. Step 5. Certifications to prove your skills. Certifications can give you credibility and help you land your first job. Some highly regarded ones in 2025 are Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, which is great for beginners, Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP, which is highly technical and well-respected, and CompTIA Pentest Plus, which focuses on penetration testing. Prepare for these certifications using practice exams and hands-on labs. Step 6. Join the community and stay updated. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and staying current is crucial. Here's how: follow forums and blogs. Websites like HackerOne, BugCrowd, and Nullbyte are invaluable. Participate in CTFs or capture the flag competitions. These are fun and challenging ways to sharpen your skills. Network with others. Join LinkedIn groups or Discord communities for ethical hackers. Step 7. Build a portfolio. As you gain skills, document your journey. Create a GitHub repository showcasing scripts you've written, reports from penetration tests in your lab, and CTF challenges you've solved. Employers and clients love seeing proof of what you can do. The golden rule of hacking: never use your skills maliciously. Always seek permission before testing systems and adhere to the laws and ethical guidelines of your country. Ethical hackers are protectors, not attackers. So there you have it. A practical and beginner-friendly roadmap to becoming an ethical hacker in 2025. Remember, hacking is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Be patient, keep learning, and practice consistently. With the skills you gain, you'll not only safeguard the digital world, but also open up incredible career opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who's interested in cybersecurity, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more actionable content. Have any questions or need guidance? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure.